In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable scrolling in Adobe Acrobat by Default 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, every PDF you open will scroll smoothly without you having to switch views each time. This is great if you're tired of clicking page arrows or if you prefer a continuous reading experience for long documents. First, launch Adobe Acrobat 2026. This works the same whether you're using the Pro version or the free reader. Once Acrobat is open, we'll head into the app settings to make a small change that sticks across all future documents. Open Preferences. Click the main menu icon, the three horizontal lines often called the hamburger menu, and choose Preferences. This opens a separate window where Acrobat stores all your viewing and document behavior options. We're only changing one thing today, so don't worry about the rest. On the left side of the Preferences window, select Page Display. This section controls how pages are arranged on your screen and how you move through them. Think of it as the place where you define the default reading experience. In the main area, find the section labeled Default Layout and Zoom. We'll focus on the Layout setting. Open the Layout drop-down and choose Single Page Continuous. This is the simplest way to enable scrolling by default. With this option, pages are stacked in one long column and you can glide through the entire file using your mouse wheel, trackpad, or scroll bar. No more paging left or right. If you prefer a book-like view, you can pick two-page continuous instead. That places two pages side by side while still allowing you to scroll vertically through the document. It's a nice choice for magazines, spreads, or anything designed to be seen in pairs while keeping that smooth, continuous movement. You don't need to adjust the zoom here unless you want to. The key part is selecting a layout that includes the word continuous. That's what turns on scrolling by default. Click OK to save your changes and close the preferences window. From now on, new PDFs you open will honor this default and display in a scrolling view automatically, so you won't have to change the layout each time. Quick recap. Open Acrobat, go to Preferences, select Page Display, set the layout to single page continuous or two page continuous if you like a side-by-side look, and confirm with OK. That's it. Your default view is now set for smooth, consistent scrolling across your PDFs. Your